How Technology Has Changed Meetings and Events, a special report by Gene Bates. It all began with the computer. Computers came into our home and forever did away with whiteout. Then came the web and websites. Event goers could view our meeting spaces without ever leaving their homes. But websites weren't enough, so along came email. We were in constant contact. But to maintain that constant communication, everyone needed a cell phone, which just kept getting smarter and smarter. Speaking of those smartphones, do you need to book a room? Are your attendees happy? Is everything good with your event? Maybe not. Well, there is an app for that. There's an app for everything. No time to talk on that cell phone? Well, it's okay. Just text. Websites, email, texting. What came next? Social media, of course. Can't wait to post on Facebook. Well, just tweet or Snapchat. Attention, attendees. Now you can register online. And when you get there, there's easy check-in with facial recognition. Once you're at the meeting, interaction is made simple. We even have touch screens, so you can doodle instead of listening to the speaker. Okay. And we have throwable microphones so that soft-spoken lady in row 3 can be heard. Your guests are registered, but where are they? Are they attending the meetings? Are they going for the CEUs? No fear, you have RFID technology. You will always know where they are and what they are doing. What if they can't make it to the meeting? Can't be there? No problem. Just live stream the meeting to them. Or call them in for a video conference. Where will it go from here? What will be next? Who knows?